Hello mga students, magandang araw sa inyo. So narito tayo ulit, nagbabalik for our another math tutorial. Still, our topic for today is all about radicals pa rin. Okay, solving radicals with different indices. Pero multiplication tayo. Okay, so pag nalaman natin multiplication ito, actually same lang din naman siya sa division. Okay po. So again, solving radicals with different indices, multiplication. Pag sabi natin indices, ito yung index natin, ito yung mga roots natin. Halimbawa, square root, cube root, okay, and root. Okay, so yun yun. Okay, indices. So, let us start. Okay, so meron tayong mga steps muna. Okay, at ang mga key steps dito, dapat alam nyo maghanap ng LCM or yung least common multiple niya. Okay po. So, we have 4 easy steps. Ayan. So, first is to find the LCM, yung least common multiple niya. Okay, mamaya mag-solve tayo nyan ng indices, okay, ng index natin. Next is to rewrite the radicals with the LCM as the new index. Okay, so i-rewrite natin yung ating index doon base sa nakuha nating LCM. Third, multiply the radicals, and fourth is to simplify the results. Okay, so LCM muna tayo. Okay, like for example, we have 3 and 2. Okay, ano ang LCM ng 3 at 2? Okay, so ilagay natin yung multiple nila. So we have 3, 6, 9, 12. Ito naman is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Okay, so least common multiple. Okay po, so as we know, least, pinakamababa, saan siya unang magtatagpo? So, tingnan natin. Ayun, sa 6. Okay, so ang kanilang LCM ng 3 at 2 ay 6. Okay, sir, pwede po ba yung 12? Hindi. Okay, kasi least ang hinahanap natin. Okay, so, ayun yun. Okay, let us try another one. Okay, how about 3 and 5? Yan, ano ang kanilang LCM? So, lagyan natin. So, we have 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Ito naman. So, 5, 10, 15. So, ang LCM nila ay 15. Okay, so, doon sila unang nagtagpo. Okay, so, let us try another one. Let us say 2 and 4. Okay, so kayo unang magtatagpo ang 2 at 4. Okay, so list natin, multiples na lang. So we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So natin 4, 8, 12, 16. So saan sila unang nagtagpo? Obviously, dun sa 4. So yun yung kanilang tinatawag na LCM. Okay, so with heart pen. Okay, so now, let us now try to solve. Okay, so we're going to solve radicals with different indices. Okay, so sana na-screenshot yung kanina steps. So, sa mga di na-screenshot, ayun yung steps natin. Alright, okay. So, let us now solve. Let us try to answer this. We have square root of 2 times cube root of 3. Okay, so first thing na na-observe natin, magkaiba yung kanilang indices. Okay, yung isa ay square root, so 2 ang kanyang index. This one naman is cube root, so 3 ang kanyang index. So now, let us now simplify this or solve this. Okay, mamaya may question tayo sa pang-apat natin. So, sagutan nyo. May choices naman yun, don't worry. So, first step natin. Okay, so gawin muna natin is transform this radical. Okay, radical form to exponential form. So, it will become 2 raised to 1/2 times 3 raised to 1/3. Okay, so commonly, yung mga index nila, yung 2 at 3, yan yung naging denominator natin. Ano, nagiging rational exponent siya. Okay, so makikita nyo na dito, 1 lang yan. So, yan yung ating exponential form. Okay, so 2 raised to 1/2 times 3 raised to 1/3. Next, so, kuhain natin ang LCM ng 2 at 3. Okay. So, rewrite natin ulit Okay so ganyan muna natin. So, ano ang LCM ng 2 at 3? Saan sila unang magtatagpo? So, 2, 4, 6, 3, 6. Ayan, so 6. So, maging 6 ang kanilang LCM. Okay, so ayan na yun. Okay, then after that, gawin natin yung divide, multiply. Divide, multiply. Okay, so 6 divided by 2, 3. 3 times 1. So, we have 3. So, dito rin, 6 divided by 3, that is 2 times 1. We have 2. So, nakuha na natin yung new form ng ating given na ito. Okay, so, i-rewrite natin ito ngayon. Step number 2. Okay po. nagamit na yung new index nila, which is yung 6. So, maging ayos niya. We have 6 root of 2 raised to 3 times 6th root of 3 raised to 2. Okay, so ayan siya. Okay, so lagyan natin dito next. So ngayon, solve natin to. What is 2 raised to 3? Okay, so solve natin yan. So, lagyan natin dito. 6. Ayan po, 6 ha. 6. Ito yan, yung root nila, yung index nilang bago. Okay, so what is 2 raised to 3? So, 2 times 2 times 2. Okay, so 2 times 2, 4 times 2. So, that is 8. Okay, so ayun yun, 8. Ito yan ha, ito. Next, ito naman, kasi pinag-multiply natin siya eh. So, same index naman na siya. Next is 3 squared. So, 3 times 3. So, that is 9. Okay, so simplify natin. So, we have 6 root of 8 times 9. So, that is 72. And that is our final answer. Okay, so let us try another one. Okay po. Ayun. Okay, so picture nyo na. Okay, so ilis ko na. Next, question number 2 tayo. Number 2 example. So, we have number 2 example. So, let us say we have 4th root of 5 times square root of 7. So, magkaiba sila ng index. Okay, iba rin ang kanilang radicand. So, rewrite muna natin to. So, maging 5 raised to 1 over 4 times 7 raised to 1 over 2. Tandaan nyo, kapag wala nakikitang dyan, index, ibig sabihin lang yun ay 2. Okay, so next, alamin na natin ang kanilang LCM ng 4 and 2. Kanina, sinolve na natin yan. Okay, so we have 2, 4, 6. We have 4, 8, 12. So, ayun yun, kanilang LCM. Okay, so we have 4. Yung multiple nila. So, we have 4. Okay, so 4 divided by 4, that is 1. Times 1, we have 1. 4 divided by 2, that is 2. Times 1, that is 2. As you can see, para sa denominator natin. Okay, so we're going to rewrite the radicals with the LCM using the new index. Okay, so it will be like this. So 4 raised to 5 raised to 1. Okay, times or multiply to 4th root of 7 raised to 2. Okay, so next. Lagyan natin siya dito. Okay, so maging ano na siya ngayon? So maging 4th root of 5 raised to 1. So that is 5 times what is 7 squared? Ito, 7 squared na tayo. So 7 squared, that is 7 times 7, that is 49. So multiplying 49 to 5. Okay, so 5 times 49. So that is 245. And that is our final answer. Okay. So, pakipicturean. Okay. So, next. Third one tayo. Ito, medyo challenging to. Pero, kayang-kaya nyo to. Basic lang to sa inyo. Kayo pa ba? Okay, pag nasagutan nyo to, kaya nyo nasagutan din yung ating given mamaya. Okay, so, our next example is this. Okay, we have cube root of 2 times fifth root of 4. Okay, so we're going to rewrite muna natin yan. So, from radical form to exponential form, so it will be 2 raised to 1/3 times 4 raised to 1/5. Okay, next, kuha natin ang kanilang LCD or LCM rather. So, 3 and 5. So, ano yung kanilang multiple? Saan sila unang magkikita? So, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. So, 5, 10, 15. So, 15 sila unang nag-meet. So, yun yung gagamitin natin as their denominator. So, erase na natin to. Okay. So, 15 divided by 3. So, that is 5 times 1. 5. 15 divided by 5. That is 3 times 1. So, that is 3. Okay. So, yan na yung bago nilang index. 15. So, we're going to rewrite it now. So, using the new index. 15 raised to 2 raised to 5 times 15th root, 4 raised to 3. Okay, so now, what will be the next? Okay, so ilagay na natin. So, yung root natin, index natin, 15 times what is 2 raised to 5. So, 2 times 2, 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8 times 2, 16 times 2, 32. So we have 32 here. Okay, dito yan, 32. So what is 4 raised to 3? 4 times 4, that is 16. 16 times 4, that is 64. Okay, and lastly, we're going to multiply this, 32 times 64. So 32 times 64. May calculate ba kayo dyan? But I think the answer is 2,048. Okay, so 2,048. Okay, so that is our final answer. Okay, so I hope na malinaw kung paano tayo mag-solve, okay, kapag magkaiba ang indices. Okay, so for you, class, try to answer this one. By the way, screenshot nyo muna. Okay, done? So, try to answer this. Post nyo na lang kung ano yung sagot. Okay, paalam. Bye-bye po. Ayun. Ingat po.